Good morning. Today for math, you are going to compare three objects. You're going to compare the length of three objects, okay? So you're going to pick three objects. I recommend picking a shoe, a crayon, and a pencil, okay? And you are going to line those objects up, and you're going to have to decide which one is the shortest and the longest, and you'll have one that'll be somewhere in the middle. They recommend using a shoe, a crayon, and a pencil, but you know what? I did not have a crayon anywhere at my house this morning, so I picked a shoe and a pencil, and then I wanted to pick something that was maybe about as long as a crayon. I wanted to pick something kind of in between. So I'm using the sticky note pad, and I'm just looking at the length of the sticky note pad, okay? So I've got my three objects that I could compare, okay? So that is what I would like for you to do, and record your results in your math journal, all right? In your journal on your math page, okay, like I talked about in the first video. And then also to follow up after that activity, I would like for you to do pages 169 and 170 in the math extra workbook that we sent home, okay? This is different than what the link says, than what the printout from CMS says, but you do not have that page you don't have the workbook that they were assigning. So you're going to do pages 169 and 170 out of the book that we did send home. There is also a math sheet for day 11 in your packet. I'll also put snip a picture of it and put it up on Facebook as well for you to work on. But remember, when you're comparing the lengths of objects, okay, this is obviously longer than this, right? I can see the difference easily here, that this is longer. So this is shorter than this, okay? When I'm looking at the pencil is longer than my sticky notepad, okay? Right? I can compare that and see that that's longer. However, if I'm looking at the shoe and the pencil, right? The shoe is not longer. I mean, the pencil is not longer than the shoe. Okay, so of these three objects, okay, the longest object is the shoe. Okay, and then you can organize it from shortest to longest, or you can also organize from longest to shortest. Sometimes you can organize in both of those ways. So have a fun time. After you gather those three objects, I challenge you, you can gather another three objects and compare the lengths of those three objects. You can keep switching objects out and comparing shortest to longest, okay? Have a great time with this activity today, guys. See you later.